How to dial an extension on your Android device. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can dial an extension on your Android device. So if you want to dial an extension on your Android device, let me show you how you can dial an extension on your Android device. First of all, you have to open the Android phone app here, and after that you have to dial the main number you are calling. So for an example, 123456. And after that you have to long press on the asterisk key here. You have to long press on the asterisk key and the telecom appears the comma act as a pause here. So after the comma you have to enter the extension number. So now you have to enter the extension number after the comma. Tap like this. After that you will, after writing the extension number, you have to tap the green phone button on the bottom here. You have to tap on the green phone button and you will dial it straight to the person you are trying to reach. So this way you will be successfully dial an extension number on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you. So if you want to dial an extension on your Android device, let me show you how you can dial an extension on your Android device. First of all, you have to open the Android phone app here, and after that you have to dial the main number you are calling. So for an example, 123456. And after that you have to long press on the asterisk key here. You have to long press on the asterisk key and the telecom appears the comma act as a pause here. So after the comma you have to enter the extension number. So now you have to enter the extension number after the comma. Tap like this. After that you will, after writing the extension number, you have to tap the green phone button on the bottom here. You have to tap on the green phone button and you will dial it straight to the person you are trying to reach. So this way you will be successfully dial an extension number on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.